Hello everyone, so in this video I am going to compare side-by-side images taken from James Webb Telescope and Hubble Space Telescope. And I am going to show you why NASA spent 25 years and $10 billion to build such huge telescope. So stay tuned till the end. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope amazed astronomers and spectators across the globe with its first full-color images. Even the scientists who worked on the project were taken aback by the images. The new space snapshots reveals countless stars, galaxies, and fine details nobody has seen before. They paint the births and deaths of stars in sharp new colors and peer further into the distance than any infrared telescope has ever looked. Until now, images like these only came from the Hubble Space Telescope, which rocketed into Earth's orbit in 1990. But the new James Webb Telescope pictures reveal the reward of the 25 years and $10 billion NASA spent on its new observatory. The James Webb Telescope is a space telescope designed primarily to conduct infrared astronomy. As the largest optical telescope in space, its greatly improved infrared resolution and sensitivity allows it to view objects too old, distant or faint that is impossible to detect by Hubble Space Telescope. To know more about this telescope, you can hit the link showing above. The first image, a long exposure of a tiny portion of the sky released, it revealed just how much sharper and stronger the new space observatory is. In the second image, James Webb Telescope clearly shows two stars at the center of this nebula, where Hubble only saw one. The Southern Ring Nebula is a dying star that has imploded and is slowly expelling the layers of its atmosphere in successive waves, creating ever-expanding bubbles of colorful gas. Scientists knew there were two stars at its center, but couldn't see them in images. The new James Webb Telescope picture shows the dying star, which glows red because it's surrounded by dust right next to its white companion star. With other wavelengths of infrared light, James Webb Telescope sees different details in the same nebula. This image captured in near-infrared wavelengths of light shows the structure of the nebula. The blue bubble at the center is hot ionized gas that the leftover core of the star has superheated. In the foamy orange outer region made of newly formed hydrogen, rays of starlight beam through holes in the inner bubble. In the next image, we can see four of the galaxies are about 300,000 light years away, locked in a cosmic dance as each galaxy's gravity influences the others. In the James Webb Telescope image, you can see galaxies in the background that were invisible to Hubble. The new telescope is 100 times stronger than Hubble, capturing far more galaxies than Hubble ever could. The new image also reveals the stellar nurseries created as galaxies merge. We now see gas and dust which is being heated up in the collision between those galaxies. As gas and dust get compressed and heated, they collapse into new stars. That means the cloud between galaxies in the James Webb Telescope image is a nursery for the birth of new stars. We are actually seeing the process of creation of new stars in this region. This is the Hubble's image of a star nursery in the Carina Nebula, and this is the James Webb Telescope image of the same region. Every dot of light we see here is an individual star, not unlike our Sun, and many of these likely also have planets. And it just reminds me that our Sun and our planet, and ultimately us, were formed out of the same kind of stuff that we see here. The James Webb Telescope image reveals hundreds of stars that weren't visible before. So please do let me know how do you like this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest update.